Number 1.
1998 Dodge Dakota, price $8,750, well-preserved pickup with a clean title and only 59,000 original miles on the odometer. It is a rear-wheel drive truck powered by the reliable 3.9L Magnum V6 gasoline engine, paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission that performs flawlessly. The truck runs and drives perfectly, with the transmission shifting as smooth as butter. The exterior is finished in a beautiful white paint that remains in excellent condition, while the interior features a gray cloth cabin that is in superb shape, showing minimal wear. Notably, the dashboard is in perfect condition, which is rare for a truck of this age. This Dakota remains completely all original, highlighting how well it has been cared for over the years. The registration is valid through July 2026, and the sale includes a current smog certification, making it fully ready for the road.
Number 2.
1986 Ford Ranger, price $9,500, largely original truck that has been exceptionally well maintained. It is powered by the 2.9L V6 engine with a manual 5-speed transmission, both of which have been fully rebuilt, along with a brand new clutch. The truck features a fully redone suspension with a 4-inch lift, brand new tires and brakes, and a properly functioning 4x4 system with manual locking hubs. The original paint and original interior were restored without repainting or interior replacement, and the truck remains clean inside and out. Factory options include power windows, power locks, and factory power seats. Heating and air conditioning work excellent. The frame is completely rust-free, and the truck runs and drives exceptionally well. It shows 98,000 original miles and comes with a clean Nevada title, clean Carfax, passes smog, and includes all receipts and manuals.
Number 3.
1998 Dodge Dakota, price $5,900, comes equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission paired with a dependable 6-cylinder gasoline engine. With 122,000 miles on the odometer, the truck runs and drives very well, showing smooth performance both on the road and during daily use. It has a clean title and is smog check ready. Previously owned by a single owner, this Dakota has been properly maintained and remains a practical and fuel-efficient truck, especially for those who prefer a manual transmission and lower fuel costs. The braking system has recently been updated with new brakes, adding to the vehicle's overall safety and reliability. The interior and mechanical components are in clean condition for its age. Cosmetically, there is some clear coat peeling on the roof, which is common for vehicles of this era, but it does not affect performance or drivability.
Number 4.
1988 Toyota pickup, price $8,900, equipped with the dependable EFI 22 or 4-cylinder engine matched to an automatic overdrive transmission. The odometer shows 194,000 miles, and the truck carries a clean title. It runs strong and looks very good for its age, benefiting from being mostly garage kept by a single owner, with maintenance records available. Around 80% of the vehicle remains original, reflecting careful ownership and proper care over the years.
Known for its excellent fuel efficiency, this truck is economical to drive while still offering Toyota's legendary reliability.
It is fitted with good tires, has current registration, and has just passed smog inspection, making it fully road-ready and an excellent example of a classic Toyota pickup.
Number 5.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000, very nice and original OBS short bed truck that has been well preserved. It is a southern truck with a clean title and shows no signs of rust. Finished in blue paint, the truck has an odometer reading of 155,000 miles and is powered by a reliable 4.3L gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission featuring overdrive. The rear-wheel drive setup delivers smooth and dependable performance, and the truck runs and drives great. It sits on 454 rally wheels with good tires and has newer brakes installed, making it road-ready. The interior is in very nice condition with no rips or tears, reflecting careful ownership over the years. The only noted need is a headliner, with no other issues reported.
Number 6.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,000, it has 249,000 miles on the odometer, a clean title, and retains its original white paint. The truck runs and drives well, equipped with a 7.5L gas engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission that includes a granny gear and overdrive, making it suitable for both work and highway driving. It features an 8-foot-long bed, offering plenty of cargo space. The body and frame are in good condition overall, with only some surface rust consistent with age and original paint.
The truck has had only 2 previous owners prior to the current one. It was recently driven from Warner Robins to Augusta without any issues, demonstrating its reliability. Many new parts have been installed, including a replaced dashboard.
All engine indicators are fully functional, and the odometer is operational and reading properly.
Number 7.
1989 Dodge D150, price $6,500, powered by a 3.9-liter V6 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has an original odometer reading of 52,000 miles and comes with a clean title. The truck runs very well, showing no unusual noises, leaks, or smoke. Steering feels light and precise, making it easy to drive, while the brakes operate quietly and provide smooth, confident stopping.
The heating system works properly, and the air conditioning blows cold.
All lights and gauges function as intended. Although the truck is not equipped with a radio, the exterior is finished in white paint, which shows wear consistent with age, and the body has a few dents. The truck remains completely original, with no history of accidents or repairs. The window seals and rubber components are aged but do not leak.
Number 8.
1999 Ford Ranger, price $5,250, equipped with a fuel-efficient 4-cylinder gasoline engine, rear-wheel drive, and a 5-speed manual transmission. It has 226,000 miles on the odometer, a clean title, and a white exterior. Originally from Texas, the truck is completely rust-free and has been cared for properly over the years. The vehicle has recently received several important updates, including a brand new windshield, a fresh oil change, a new timing belt, and a new alternator. Within the last 2 years, the shocks, spark plugs, ignition coils, and transmission oil have also been replaced. The truck runs strong with no check engine light, and both the air conditioning and heater work great. It rides on good tires and includes a jack and spare tire for convenience. Additional features include a custom wood center console lid, a bright light bar, and a rear cap that helps keep tools and cargo dry.
Number 9. 1993 Dodge D250, price $7,200, powered by the legendary 5.9L Cummins turbo diesel paired with an automatic overdrive transmission and intercooler. It is a rear-wheel drive truck with 181,000 miles, a clean title, and current tags already paid. The truck runs excellent and can be driven home or trailered. It has new tires and brakes, all gauges work properly, and everything functions as it should except the AC. The interior is very clean with near-perfect captain's seats, and the body is straight and solid. A 2-inch leveling kit is installed, with longer front shocks being the only thing needed for comfortable daily driving. This is a great running project that can be daily driven, restored, or built further, including a future 4x4 swap. Number 10.
1983 Chevrolet K10, price $8,000, powered by a 6.2L diesel V8 with an automatic transmission and a fully functional 4x4 system. It features the classic all-red Silverado trim, marking the early roots of the Silverado line, along with an original red velveteen bench seat, a 6-foot bed, and dual 20-gallon side saddle fuel tanks with a working switch. The truck runs well, delivers decent MPG for a full-size pickup, and is smog-exempt due to its age and diesel engine. It rides on newer Yokohama Geolandar mud tires, has updated window regulators, and includes 3-point seatbelts. The vehicle has a salvage title, a non-working stereo, and air conditioning that blows but does not cool. The shift indicator is inoperative, headlights need alignment, and there are minor cosmetic imperfections such as small dents, paint wear, light rust, and a few missing parts.